Hello, and welcome to Super Simple Stuff. Now, today we are going to be looking at more Judge Judy. Now, what we're going to be doing here today is testing out sound, so let's see how it goes.
How old are you? I'm 15. I have also. Just relax. What do you mean this is a false document? Because you see how he had someone, which Steve was the owner of the other apartment, come to my door and tell me the date he was sending me. There's no date, there's no case number, there's no nothing. He was harassing me, trying to harass me through the law. I don't know. Yes, it would be, let me show you this document. Sorry, tell me that was submitted to you.
Your Honor, I filed this, I made this out and then went to file it, and it was the wrong document. At the court, they reissued me the proper documentation, which I do have.
Alright, so hopefully that works. We'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.